Oh, there's a duck. Wait, what more of these?
What? Was this the one you were talking about?
6.
Whoa, you got new monster trucks?
I saw them in the back of it. In a moment. I'll be the next round. Wait.
Oh, you got the V8 Bomber?
Wait, what?
Got a dump. That's a dump truck, Axe.
There's spider. I'm so soon on it. Now I can throw this at you anyways.
What? Lots of new cars.
I'm so soon.
What's that?
A super cardigan.
Look at that silver one, man. That's freaking awesome. You know, all of these you should just keep in here. You shouldn't open them. They're special editions. What else? Let's see. Your dad gave you another writing pad. Oh my God, there's more! There's more stuff! Wow!
Oh,
What's that? Whoa, that's cool, Axel. Wow. We gotta go through that. That's gonna be fun.
I know that's not real. It's just a book.
You got some glasses there? We gotta figure out what this stuff is. Oh, cool. What's this book? Turn it around and hold it up. May you love and be loved. You got some more Among Us stickers. Among Us. Oh no, Minecraft. Nice.
It's like she don't know. Wait, I can show you something of the Minecraft thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is how it looks when you love the animals and you give them hearts and you help them. Yeah, you give them hearts and then you save them.
You give them love and you save them.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? More stickers for your bed? Cool.
And they're stuck onto the black thing.
What's this? You got an Atlanta Falcons fanny pack? And keep some things in there? Oh, what's this? Let me read it to you. It says, Dear Axel, this is an enchanted raven headstone. Whisper your secrets and wishes into it. Squeeze it very tight and your dad will hear you. So mote it be. Love, Dad. What's this, Axel? Wait a second. You have headphones? Your dad got you some headphones, Ax.
Well, I thought it was a bracelet.
Let's see what else is in here. Hold on. You have a bracelet for mosquitoes to keep them off of you. And a bug shield. Wow. This is what you need.
I will hug you with his friend.
Yeah.
That's how you again. Because he's blue. It looks like a shark tooth.
Kinda. But it's a enchanted raven headstone. It's an enchanted raven headstone.
So it's a teeth for me.
When you whisper in it, your dad can hear it. Dad, you got some incredible
That's how it
stones.
looks in the dark. Does it look nice when it's in the dark?
Mm-hmm.
It looks amazing.
This is just rope. Your dad says, Axel, every little boy needs some rope, some random rope, because it's the key to adventure. You can build forts, create obstacle courses, and climb mountains. Rope can be anything you imagine. Just have fun and see where it takes you. Love, Dad.
Oh, it is kind of weird because he does have a black sword on and white on it. But how can he fly? That's so weird.
This is Dungeons and Dragons, Kid Robot.
Is he a collector?
Yes. You got Mimic.
Let me look on the back.
Want to take it out?
Oh, he's a treasure guy. Yeah, he's a treasure. What are they doing? I'll open him and the cat looks creepy. I'm not touching it. He is not a collector. He's just a soft little guy.
Yes, you're right. You can put them on your book bag too.
Well,
Part of all the little creepy things you have.
you can take them off too.
Mm-hmm.
Got another one.
Hold on. Set this to the side for a second. Let's see what else you got in there. What's this, Axel? This says, Dear Axel, 3 pods from a golden rain tree, also known as lanterns, bring prosperity, wealth, transformation, enlightenment, and resilience and joy. Love, Dad. 3 pods from a rain tree. Come, Axel. Look.
That's sexy.
Cheese! Help me, Axel, help me.
Ow.
We got some cheese. We got some turkey jerky. Lullaby. You ran out of this yesterday. Look at all of these, Axel. Yeah, they're mango flavored. You want one? Yeah. Here. Oh, it's a rope, Axel. Awesome. Great. This is Wolverine and Deadpool. What's this one, Axel? Guns N' Roses. And this one?
A pizza.
Mm-hmm.
But I hate pepperoni pizza.
Pull it out. Pull it out the bag.
What's this?
Nothing. That was just to keep the hat together. But look. You have a hat. That's Wolverine and Deadpool.
So they're friends.
We gotta see the movie.
I'm so excited to watch it. So bad.
Yeah.
And those mangoes taste good when I eat them.
Yeah.
It's making my teeth sweet.
You silly butt.
Dad, you're the best.